Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to tell you today how to make logo for free. If you think this video is good, please subscribe. Let's go to the video. The website we using today is called Wix Logo Maker. The link is in the description below. Once the website is loaded, see an interface. Click on the Now Starting button. Create a logo button. Click. Type your email again, password, type your password again and sign up. I sign up, continue with Google. I choose my account. The name of the logo and tagline. I enter my logo name and click Let's Go. Type here what it was made for. I was made for YouTube Tech channel and click next. You will be asked what is look like here. I click dynamic, playful, creative, fresh and next. Show you a few logo and ask you which logo you want to choose, then select. I click this logo, I click this logo and this. Then select what you will use. I select website, business card, social media and other. Click next. You can see lots of logos. I choose a logo. I like this logo. Click on it. You can go to the edit page and edit it if you want. I not edit this logo. I click next. And just need a logo. Click some. Download a free sample. Click. Thanks for watching this video. We meet in a new video.